What if subreddits were decentralized, or you could comment socially on the internet with your friends? These are both now possible with Farcaster's FIP-2. The motivation behind it was to create a way for cast to better hit casters who want to see that type of content. So for example, if I'm casting about a type of NFT project or sport or different topic, that it would hit the casters who are interested in that instead of everyone who follows me. And so FIP2 lets you reply directly to a parent URL instead of just to another cast. And then those parent URLs can be surfaced by the people who are interested in them. For example, the Warpcast team has used this to create channels such as Nouns, Purple, different sports, Warpcast, developers, and people who are interested in those different topics can follow those channels and talk within the channels. It's been a really great way not only to better surface content for people in the channels and in their home feeds, but also to bring people onto Farcaster because they know that people within a particular DAO, for example, are hanging out in that channel, similar to how community members may be hanging out in a subreddit. And because Farcaster is permissionless, you could build niche clients for all of these different channels akin to subreddits. You can make one for the fitness channel that connects to different fitness apps. You could make one for Nouns that connects to the proposal system, so on and so forth, so that these different channels become one-point interactions for everything you're doing within the community. Similarly, you can also use FIP2 to reply to parent URLs that aren't channels and enable this kind of social commenting on different websites. You could even pull it into your own service and get a native commenting directly from Farcaster. For example, Paragraph does this. If you go to Paragraph and you go to the comment section, they pull in different comments from Farcaster. If all different websites did this, then you could basically natively pull in comment sections from Farcaster for your URL, which is something that I find extremely interesting. So FIP2, the main kind of bonding between these two ideas of subreddits and just replying to different URLs is that content will be better surfaced to the people who are interested in them. And I think that this also gives developers an opportunity to create better experiences for the subreddit use case and for the social commenting use case. And so I'm extremely bullish on it. I think there's a lot more that can be built on FIP2 as well. And I just wanted to create this little explainer.